41. So the unit is three-phase circuit. So the topics are three-phase star and delta connection. So here only we discuss about source. The CO covering is understand the three-phase circuit concept with balanced and unbalanced load. So here only we discuss about the sources. So different type of sources. So first we need to know about the interconnection of three-phase sources. So the last session we discussed about three-phase supply. So in this session we focus on how we interconnect those three-phase sources. So once we get the output from the three-phase alternator, so those three phases are independent to each other. So those coils having two terminals, start and finish. So the end connections are brought out to the machine and they will form the individual circuit. So here figure 9.6a and 9b give some idea about the thing. So A, B. So these two producing the separate single phase sources. So the interconnection may be either star or delta. So star connection also known as Y connection, delta connection known as mesh connection. Okay. So why we are doing this? So in order to achieve the economy and reduce the number of conductors and reduce the complexity of the things. So star connector. So in the star connector, there are four terminals R, Y, B, and neutral terminals. So the neutral terminal is very useful in production purpose. So this scheme is known as three-phase four-wire star connected scheme. R, Y, B are called as line terminals. So they are forming the voltage VRN, VYN, and VBN. So combining VRN and VYN, it forms VRY. Combining VYN and VBN forms VYB. And combining VBN, VRN forms VBR. So they are forming separate line currents, phase currents. So here, the phase current and line current are same. So the neutral wire is only used when the system is requiring the neutral wire. If we are not using the neutral wire, then the scheme is called as three-phase, three-wire star connected system. So again, these things are separated by 120 degree. So they will producing three independent sources from the same frame of three-phase alternator. Next one, delta connection or mesh connection. Here we are forming the same three-phase supply but with the combination of R, Y, B. So R and B dash connector, R dash Y in connector, Y dash and B are connected. So these combination of R, B dash, R dash Y, Y dash B, they form junctions. So once you all know, once the junctions are connected, then it known as mesh. Okay. So these there is a no phase voltage. Here line voltages and phase voltages are same. But in case of star connector, the line voltage phase voltages are not same, but line current and phase current are same. Here line current is differ from phase current. Again, these are separated by 120 degree. Their magnitudes are same. The interconnection of load. Suppose we need to work with source is star and the supply is star, but the load is either star connected or delta connected. So those times we face some difficulties. So for this, we discuss the connections by this figure. The first case is the source is star connected, the load is star connected. So it's very simple. We directly connect RR, YY, PB, and we connect the neutral. But in case of star connector and delta connector, we are doing the same, but here R is connected with VRB. Here it is VRB. Again, Y is connected with VYB. Again, VB is connected with VRB. So we are connecting like this. So it is differ from this. So these kind of connections form some issues. So it may leads to some unbalanced and balanced load. So first we discuss about the voltage and current power in star connected system. So as I mentioned earlier, the phase voltage and line voltages are same. Why those are same? Because we discuss only with respect to VR and VY. So here the phase voltages, with respect to Vn. Here line voltages with respect to R and Y. So here the relationship between line voltages and phase voltages is different. So, but the current is same. The same current is flowing here. IRN is flowing here. YRN is flowing here. VRN is flowing here. So here the line voltages are root 3 times phase voltages. They are displaced by 120 degree. All the line voltages are separated by 30 degree with phase voltages. So simply we are adding this, we get the phasor diagram. So RN, VRN, VBN, then VYN. So these are the basic reference voltages. So this is the basic reference. So this dotted indicates it is a minus. VBN means minus VBN, VRN is minus VRN, VYN is minus VYN. So what's the VRY? So it's nothing but it's the difference. So you know the vector difference, it is just summing of these two. Just summing of these two, summing of these two. So comparing with VRN, it is 30 degree. So comparing with VB, this is 30 degree. Comparing with VYN, it is just 30 degree. So this is only explained here. All the line voltages are 30 degree ahead of respective phase voltages. Then it's all, we discuss one problem. A symmetrical star connector shown in this figure. Calculate the 3 line voltages. So we are all know the line voltages are root 3 times the phase voltages. So this is line voltage VRN 120 degree, 0 degree, VYN minus 120 degree. This is minus 240 degree. So the relationship is root 3 times. So we simply multiply and subtract with this. We are getting the 3 line voltages. Okay. So I will share the PPT. The break time you may understand these concepts. So next one, current relationship. Here all know they are also shifted by 120 degree, but here line voltages and phase voltages are same because they are connected in the same wire. So both are same. So again they are giving one problem. IR is equal to 10 at an angle of 20 degree. So we need to do the same thing. Here line voltage and phase voltages are same. So we directly write the answer. So this is 2 mark may come. Next one, power. What is power? It is the product of voltage and current. So here this is 3 phase voltage. That's why I put 3 V phase, I phase, cos phi. Okay. So we are all know V phase. So VL is equal to root 3 V phase, IL is equal to I phase. Then it becomes root 3 VL IL cos phi. So reactive power, instead of we replace cos phi with sin phi. Apparent power, square root of P square plus Q square. So in this problem, they are giving R plus JXL, 3-phase supply, 400 volt, 12 amps. First, we need to calculate the total active power. What is the active power formula? Root 3 VL IL cos phi. So how we calculate the cos phi? Cos phi is square root of 4 square plus J 3 square. So that is 25, 5, 4 divided by 5, it is 0.8. So we directly substitute the formula to get the answer. Next one, for voltage, current and power in the delta connected system. So we discuss about the star connected system. Here the line voltage and phase voltages are same, but the line currents are, phase currents are different. So here V R Y is equal to V phase. So the same thing is here. So in the problem they are giving the voltage across the terminal is 400 at an angle of 0 degree. Calculate the values of 3 line voltages. Assume the sequence is RYB. Why they are giving the sequence? So first we are taking R, then the Y should be minus 120 degree, then B should be minus 240. If they are giving RBY, then you need to interchange these two. So that's why they are giving the sequence. Suppose they are not giving the sequence, then you assume RYB. Next one, current relationship. So again, this current is difference between 2 phase current. So it gives the relationship root 3 I phase. So here line current is root 3 times I phase current. So again we draw the phasor diagram. So here we are taking the IR, IB, IYS reference. So you can take IY here. Then this is minus IY, this is minus IB, this is minus IR. So from this we calculate the formula. Then it is same as your voltage relationship of star connector. So here they are giving one problem. Three ideal conduct loads are connected in delta. Some voltage is given, figure 9.29a. Then if the phase current is 15 at, calculate the three line current. So they are giving the phase current. You can directly calculate the line current by multiplying root 3. Then you can draw the phasor diagram. Next one, power connected in delta connector. The same formula we are using. So P is equal to 3 V phase I phase cos phi. So P is equal to root 3. How this root 3 is come? So because I phase is IL divided by root 3. So 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So root 3 getting cancelled. Then root 3 VL IL cos phi. So this power is same as your star connected system power. So again they are giving one problem. So they are giving the load value 2 plus J3. They are giving the voltage. They are giving the current. So what is the active power formula? Same. VLIL cos phi. What is the reactive power formula? VLIL sin phi. Apparent power root 3 VL IL. So hence we calculate